Alright, we have a clogged drain here in the bathroom. I'm going to show you guys how to unclog it. There are a few ways to do it. I'm going to do I would say the most efficient way, because you're going to clean it all the way out. You could take a plunger to it if you wanted to, or stick something down in the hole. They have the little, I don't know what they're called, but you put them down in there, twirl it around and pull it out, and it brings a lot of the hair out of there. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to go down here, and first thing you got to do is clean all the crap out from underneath it. Okay, now we got it cleaned out under here. Now you're going to need to get a bowl to catch the water down here. We're going to remove the trap there. The water is going to start, once you start unscrewing it, off of there. Dump that water out. Set that off to the side. But there's still water up in here. So that means, ooh, that's disgusting. That means it's clogged up in there. So what we're gonna do is I gotta get something to push up in there. So we'll be right back, or down. Sometimes it gets stuck on this, if you can see back here. This is the little mechanism that when you push down on the stopper to make it so the water doesn't go down the drain, you can do that. Sometimes it gets stuck on this thing. So I'm going to do is go ahead and loosen this up. Oh, look at that. I pulled it out. There's all that nastiness on it. So now we can probably push something down through there and clean it out. So let me find something real quick. Okay, so I cleaned out the drain. I used a toothbrush, pushed it down from the top, and then I took a paper towel, shoved it down in there from the top, and then shoved some paper towel up from the bottom like this. And I used a toothbrush to push it all the way up into the sink. And then that cleaned it all the way out. So we're going to put this thing back in here, the stopper. Goes right in there. And then you screw this on. Ooh. Ooh, that came out of that hole. Alright. So you screw the stopper on there. Make sure it's finger tight. And then you get your trap. And make sure your trap's cleaned out. I poured some water through there and cleaned it out. And this is let's clean up all our water we got over here real quick. So that's tight. That one's tight. Then we dry it off. Dry this all off so we can tell if it's leaking or not. So you fill it up and let it drain a couple times, and then you gotta make sure there's not wet at all around this part of the trap or this part of the trap. And there's no water on either of those. And then we go ahead and check around the plunger thing. Nope, there's no water there. So once you get that done, your clog is gone and is ready to go. So yeah, that's how you unclog hair out of your bathroom sink.